Though. All right, let's talk about our current thinking of our storm. It begins this weekend and impacts will likely go into next week. The high confidence that we are going to have a winter storm impact our area. And I don't think we've seen anything like this in more than a decade. And more confidence that this is going to be a significant storm that is likely going to be mostly ice for a good portion of our area. So that does raise concern for the potential impact. You can see much of the country currently under a winter storm watch, including about 90% of the state of North Carolina, all of our Virginia border counties as well. This goes into effect Saturday, different times, a little earlier for our western counties, but we really don't expect this to get going until sometime late Saturday. So this is what we know now. We'll see snow and ice beginning by late Saturday. Temper your expectations for the amount of snow we get. This is favoring and been trending toward more of an icy situation for us. Again, high totals of frozen precip likely. Sleet, freezing rain are expected to be the predominant types. Here's a reason why. We don't normally have a setup like this. The cold is coming in full force out of Canada ahead of the storm. You can see much of the country painted in blue with this one, with frigid air moving in behind the storm as well. But that cold air gets all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and that's going to allow a developing winter storm to transition to a very large band of snow and ice, northern half of Texas, getting into the central plains, crossing the Mississippi and moving into our area. And as what we typically see with North Carolina winter storms, it's never just snow, right? It was trending that way earlier this week when your phones were telling you some high totals. We urge you to wait, and let's wait and see how this develops, and you can see why we did that. Large portion of ice, predominantly ice, expected to move into our area Saturday night and Sunday before exiting Sunday night and early Monday morning. We have time to get ready for this. You have time to prepare because we really don't want you to travel once this storm begins. Our temperatures this morning we're close to 40. That's not bad at all. 30s across our northern counties, and we're expecting a very mild Thursday. There might be a spot of rain around. I think it favors our southern counties more than anything else. And we'll be in and out of some cloud cover today, but I think more sunshine mixed with a few clouds from time to time will be the dominant weather. The farther north you get, the fewer clouds we'll see. Mostly sunny, west winds at 5 to 10. Highs will be in the mid to upper 50s from Elkin out toward Wilkesboro today. And west winds at 10 to 20 for many of our mountain spots later on. So as we go through the hour by hour, a little spotty rain around later today, perhaps even into this evening, overnight, and through Friday. Friday is probably the best chance to see a passing shower, about 30% chance there. Notice how cold it gets. An Arctic front starts to move in Friday night and Saturday. The cold is in place before the storm begins. And you can see as it starts to roll in, a chance that we could see some snow, especially north of I-40. But as we go later in the storm, you can see that pink really starts to dominate our area. I think this will likely start as some sleet and snow mixed together and then start to transition to more of a sleet and freezing rain and mainly a freezing rain threat heading into Sunday. This is not the storm we wanted. This certainly could have a huge impact for travel and for power outages. For more on that, let's bring in meteorologist Dylan Hudler. Dylan, this is not a storm I'm looking forward to. This is going to be very messy and very impactful for our area.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. Earlier in the week when this was looking more snow than ice, that was a good thing because snow is fun. You can get outside and play in it, and it's far less damaging than ice. So this trend is not our friend. Ice, especially in this magnitude, is concerning. The bad thing is we're trending a little icier than snowier. As you just heard Brian mention, a little bit of snow, maybe a brief little burst possible along and north of I-40 at the very beginning of this Saturday afternoon, but totals would likely be fairly light and short-lived before we switch over to sleet and predominantly freezing rain. Look at some of these potential ice accumulations. Again, we've taken the totals off of this because they don't matter too much at this point, but you can see by the scale there some very significant icing possible across much of the North Carolina Piedmont thanks to some warmer air aloft. The air down here at the surface near the ground is very, very cold. The layer of warmer air aloft means this is mainly looking like an ice setup for us. So Saturday and Sunday our weather alert days. And when we start talking about ice, we start talking about more damaging and crippling impacts. The last time PTI Airport and the Triad recorded over an inch of ice was 2002. And we could be talking about the same type of caliber storm as far as impacts go. So this will be an impactful one we haven't seen in many years, starting with impacts late Saturday and lasting into next week. Roads will likely become icy and slick. That will make travel very difficult. Some roads could be snow covered initially early on there in our northern counties. Power outages could be widespread and significant because of that ice, and those power outages could last for days. These are all potential impacts, not to scare you, but to prepare you. And the other issue with this is colder air really starts to roll in behind this system, and it stays cold early next week. So whatever wintry stuff we get likely won't go anywhere for a while. We're going to continue to keep you posted on the latest developments. Please prepare, please stay safe, and keep it tuned for the latest.